Hey everybody, Josh for Populi. And are you feeling stifled by the structure of course discussions? You need some place where you can finally let your hair down and send some emoji to your students. That's why we let you chat. This video will be most useful for faculty and teaching assistants, but academic admins and registrars might get some value here as well. Discussions are a more formal way for students to dig into material and to wrestle with different perspectives. They can be assigned and graded. Chats aren't integrated into the course in the same way. They're not assigned, there's no built-in grading system. They're informal and could be implemented for instruction or class admin purposes, whatever makes sense to you. On a course instance, on chat, faculty or a teaching assistant can either start an ad hoc chat session or schedule one for later. If the session begins now, you'll just give it a name and save, and it begins. That shows up as part of the course schedule as soon as it begins. If you're scheduling it for later, set the time it begins, give it a name, and save. Once it's scheduled, that future chat session will show up as part of the course schedule. Either way, when the chat begins, students join by going to the course, to chat, and then clicking on that chat session. Then chatting happens pretty much like you'd expect. Participants enter text down here. You can attach files from your device to the chat. Up here on the right, you have the name of this session. You can go back to the other sessions. You can end this session. Also, you can disable the sounds of incoming chats using this toggle. Then you'll have a list of everyone logged on to the chat. I mentioned it, you can type in emoji. We have an emoji cheat sheet down in the description. The format for entering them is typing a colon, then the emoji name, then another colon. Anyone can post links to web content. Links should automatically become clickable, but certain types of links will embed content directly in the chat. As faculty or a teaching assistant, you have the ability to delete comments for whatever reason. Just hover over the comment and you'll get the trash can icon over on the right. The message turns red for you and it will disappear completely for all time if you leave the chat in Populi or refresh the page. On the student side, as soon as you, the instructor, delete those messages, they disappear. Chats remain open until an instructor either ends it manually or begins a new chat. So multiple chats can't run simultaneously. Once you end a session, you and any students in the course can go back to the chat tab and access the transcript. As an instructor on this course or an administrator, when you click into the transcript, you'll have the ability to delete it. Diggy do, that's how it's diggy done. Check the description for more resources, including a knowledge-based article on course chats. Also, if you want to explore more training options, you should be aware of our focus sessions. These are 1 hour-long training sessions that take place over Zoom. You and several other Populi users meet up with a Populi support rep, you get a little training, and then you get to ask questions. We have a rotating sequence of topics, so if you miss a session on something like admissions or billing, don't worry, it'll be rolling back around. You can get to the focus sessions by going to the knowledge base, clicking on release notes and announcements, and then clicking into focus sessions. We've also popped a link directly to the focus sessions down in the description. I've been Josh for Populi. You've been great. Thanks for watching.